guys, it's Heather here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a meal prep video. I'm first going to go over my plan that I have for the week and then we will jump right into the meal prep. For breakfast this week I will be having a 100% whole grain English muffin with 16 grams of peanut butter, and I'm going to have a protein shake along with that, just 4 ounces of almond milk with a scoop of protein powder. For snacks I'll be having a Kid Z bar, the chocolate mint flavor, and then the 3 lunches and dinners I chose are a Cobb salad in a jar with buttermilk ranch, Colombian steak with onions and tomatoes. It's recommended to serve that with rice, but I am going to just serve it over broccoli and then have a fried egg over it. And the final recipe that I'll be making is Instant Pot turkey meatball and ditalini soup. I don't know if I'm saying that right. If you've followed me for a while, then you know that I usually start my meal prep by filling up my sink with soapy water so that I can throw dishes in there as they get dirty, and then I will usually start off by washing all of my produce. Today I'm using the Trader Joe's produce wash, but vinegar and water works just as well. Another thing I do is set up stations. The 3 lunches and dinners that I make, I set up the stations for it and put out all the ingredients so that they're ready to go when I am ready to move on to whatever recipe that I'm going to make. I will usually start off with the recipe that will take the longest, and today that was the soup, so I am starting off by chopping the veggies and just prepping the ingredients. All the recipes that I'm making today are Skinny Taste recipes. I will leave links to them down below. Next for the soup, I'm making the meatballs. These meatballs, I have had this soup since I made it, and these meatballs add so much flavor. It is so good. Next I'm adding some cooking spray to the soup pot. This recipe is actually supposed to be made in the Instant Pot, but my Instant Pot is so small that I can't fit a lot of soup in it. I am just making it in a regular soup pot. So I browned the meatballs and now I added the veggies to a little bit of olive oil. Next I added the San Marzano tomatoes and a Parmesan rind. If you have never put Parmesan rind in your soup, it is highly recommended. It adds so much flavor to the soup. Now I'm adding back the meatballs to the soup. And finally I'm adding 32 ounces of reduced sodium chicken broth, and then I let that sit for about a half hour on medium-low heat. Now I'm moving on and making the Cobb salad. I'm starting off by making the ranch dressing. Now I'm quartering the cherry tomatoes for the salad. And now I am making the bacon. I love making bacon in the oven. It's just the easiest way and the less messy way to make it. Then while the bacon was in the oven, I added the pasta to the soup. And now I'm hard-boiling the eggs in the Instant Pot for the Cobb salad. If you haven't made eggs in the Instant Pot, I highly recommend it. It is so easy and quick. All you have to do is add about a cup of water to the Instant Pot and put the eggs on a trivet, or if you have any other sort of dish to put eggs on, you can do that. And then you set it on high pressure for 5 minutes and then fast release at the end. And now I'm just assembling the salad in the mason jars. So because I had such an eventful weekend last weekend, I was pooped by this point, and so I decided against making the 3rd recipe. I normally make all of the lunches and dinners that I need for the week on Sundays, but sometimes I do get a little tired and I just want to end it there. So that's what I did this day. Normally when that happens, it's not a big deal. I will just get those ingredients ready so that they are ready, and I'll usually either make it on Monday or Tuesday of that week so that I have it for the rest of the week. But that is going to wrap up today's meal prep. It was a pretty simple meal prep today, just 2 recipes. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
back.